Hi, my name is Juliana Montoya Zapata. You're a paint by cited and negative effects of technology on the environment. By cities like facilitate young activities, digital transformation, electric cars, smart house and building, renewable energy, negative like diseases in the population, can, contamination of soils, water, and the unmodified waste generation. Soil desertification, contributions to climate change, depletion of the ozone layer. How we see the future of your planet. High temperatures. The glacial pole disappear. Millions of missing animal species. Natural resources depleted due to uncontrolled. Hymen Kinsmenten. Biodiversity loss. Sustainable intensification of agriculture production. Strategies to mitigate environment the mix foreign technologies. What your water consumption? Estimate the carbon footprint. Recycle your waste. Reduce your paper consumption. The UA Sustainable Organizational Tutor optimize resource use energy efficiently raises awareness and affects environment training to workers improves the management of hazardous materials and weight. Thank you. Bye.